Hello students, welcome to Little Bird English School. Now I am going to teach you a subject English of standard 3rd. This is unit 2 and the unit name is the yellow flower. Activity 1. Here are the sentences about the actions of some children. Write well done if you like their actions. Write not done if you do not like their actions. 1. Aman has a pet parrot. He always keep in caged. अमन के पास पेट पैरोट है और वो हमेशा पिंजरे में रखता है. So students, you like these actions? This is not good. So you have to write not done. Sanjana has a feeding corner for birds in the balcony of her house. So ये अच्छी बात है. So you have to write well done. When ducks went for bird watching, he did not disturb the birds. He watched them for a distance with his binoculars. This is also well done. डक्स बर्ड्स को देखने जाता है तो वो बर्ड्स को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता है, उससे बहुत सारा डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करके वो बाइनोक्यूलर्स में से देखता है दूर से. तो ये अच्छी बात है. 4. Alice is afraid of street dogs. So whenever she passed by the street, she throws stones at the dogs. तो ये dogs पे throws मीन्स पत्थर stone फेंकना अच्छी बात नहीं. So here you have to write not done. 5. Naresh enjoys harassing the caged monkeys in the zoo. Monkeys को मीन्स परेशान करना अच्छी बात नहीं है. So you have to write not done. On finding a baby sparrow in the nest, Arzu protects the nest from the cat. और आरजू ने नेस्ट को स्पैरो के नेस्ट को बचाया. तो ये अच्छी बात है. तो यहाँ पे हमको लिखना है well done. Students, I already explained you this poem, and in this video you will do the exercise, okay? And students, this is also your homework. Answer the following questions. 1. Where did the Sonu first see the yellow butterfly? Answer. Sonu first see the yellow butterfly on the red rose. 2. Name the places where the butterfly rested. Answer. Red rose. 2. Floating leaves in the pond. 3. Champak tree. 3. Why did Sonu chase the butterfly? Answer. Sonu chased the butterfly because he found the butterfly very pretty. 4. From where did Sonu catch the butterfly? Answer. Sonu catch the butterfly from spider's web. 5. Why did the Sonu let the butterfly go? Answer. Sonu let the butterfly go because he wanted it to be happy. B. Here are some expressions. Match the correct actions. Okay. First, it sailed from flowers to flowers. Who sailed from flowers to flowers? Butterfly. Second, there was a white lotus in it. Where was the white lotus? It was in the pond. Third, he walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. Who walked slowly and silently? Sonu walked slowly and silently. It was hungry. Who was hungry? Spider. Activity 5. Study this sentence. Off flew the butterfly, and it changes to the butterfly flew off. But the same meaning is same. There is one more sentence. Up he climbed, and it changed to he climbed up, and the meaning is same. Do you have to write the same words like that? The sentence will change, but the meaning will not change. Okay. First, looked up. Sonu looked up. Fly away. The butterfly fly away. Flew back. The parrot flew back. Activity 6. With the help of the pictures given, tell your friend about the life of a butterfly. Students, I show the life cycle of the butterfly. First stage, egg on a leaf. This is the first stage of the life cycle, okay, of butterfly. Second stage, caterpillar. After this will happen. Third stage, pupa insect. Chrysalis, where it grows wings. And fourth stage, the butterfly life come. Activity 8. Look at these pictures. Talk to your friend using the words given in brackets to describe the butterflies. Okay, you have to describe the butterflies by using all the words. So by using these words, make the sentence. Okay, here some butterflies are small while some are big. Second, butterflies are colorful. Third, they are very pretty. Fourth, their wings are very delicate. They have spots on their wings. Butterflies sailing from flower to flower. B. Read the following story carefully. Select appropriate words from the box to fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to fill the blanks from these words. Okay. When Lion King held a party, he invited everyone to the party. But when the little ant arrived, the other animals made fun of her. So she left. But the next morning, the lion awoke with a pain in his ear. All the other animals tried to reach whatever it was in lion's ear, but the lion noticed that the ant wasn't there. So the lion sent the rabbit to ask the ant to come and help him. The ant agreed and climbed into the lion's ear to remove a worm that was beating his eardrum. The lion offered the ant whatever she wanted, and the ant said that she wanted her children to be able to live anywhere, and that is how things are to this day. Activity 10. Imagine you are a butterfly. A boy has caught you. Write about your feelings. You may begin like this. Set me free. I want to sail from flower to flower. ओके, आपको इमेजिन करना है कि आप बटरफ्लाई हो और किसी बॉय ने आपको पकड़ लिया है, तो आप क्या फील करोगे. सो सेंटेंस यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर दिया है. आपको यहाँ से स्टोरी लिखनी, राइट करनी है. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.